Hello children. Welcome to 6th standard English unit 3 poem I dream of spices. I dream of spices. What is spices? Do you know children what is spices? Let's see. These are spices. Spices is a seed, fruit, root or other plant substance primarily used for flavoring or coloring food. Spices play a significant role in the way we cook and consume food around the world. Every spices has its own flavoring and essence. The poem was written by Raj Arumugam. This poem has 16 lines. I dream of spices. This is a simple and interesting poem by Raj Arumugam. This poem is about a little boy's memory while shopping for his mother. Let's enter into the poem. My mother would say, "Little boy, Raj, go to Muthu's and get some cinnamon, bitter leaves and ginger and garlic." Let's see the explanation of these lines. Mother called out a little boy Raj and she would say to go to Muthu shop. Muthu's means that is a grocery shop, and get some cinnamon, bitter leaves and ginger and garlic for cooking. Okay, do you know what is bitter leaves? Yes, bitter leaves, it's good for diabetes. It helps to cure asthma, depression and to reduce cholesterol. In your home, grandma, grandfather used bitter leaves, no? Yes, next one, ginger. Ginger is one of the oldest medicinal food. It is widely used as spices which gives a delicious flavor to food. The next one, garlic. Garlic is nothing but a small bulb with a strong taste. It is also used for cooking. Okay, during the gas trouble we ate the garlic. The second paragraph. And so I go to the shops singing all the way. And when Muthu asks me what I would want, I rattle off a list: sesame seeds, onions, tomatoes and pickles. So, see the explanation of these lines. And he would go to the shop singing all the way, and when Muthu asked what would you want, he recited him a list of items. What he said: sesame seeds, onions, tomatoes and pickles. So he forgot everything whatever his mom told. He told some items. Okay, and when he came back home, his mother twisted his ears. Let's recite the poem. My mother would say, a little boy Raj, go to Muthu's and get some cinnamon, bitter leaves and ginger and garlic. And so I go to the shops singing all the way, and when Muthu asked me what I would want, I rattle off a list: sesame seeds, onions, tomatoes and pickles. And back home, mother twists my ears. Ouch! Because he forgot everything. So, this is a simple and interesting poem. This poem is about a little boy's memory while shopping for his mother. Let's see the glossary. cinnamon, the bark of the tree that gives a delicious flavor to food. Garlic, a small bulb with a strong taste used in cooking. Rattle off, recite. Sesame seeds, making gingerly oil from the seeds. Ouch, sound that expression pain. Next, come let us see the alliteration of this poem. Figure of speech. Alliteration is a stressed syllables with the same sound or sound group repeating at the beginning of two or more words. Alliteration is a stressed syllables with the same sound or same sound group repeating at the beginning of two or more words. See for the example, strong, straight. The first letter of the word yes is a alliteration. Tree. The first letter of the words T. It's a alliteration. Once again, I repeat the explanation of the alliteration. Alliteration is a stressed syllables with the same sound group repeating at the beginning of two or more sounds. Find alliteration from the poem lines. See, where are the alliteration? See the third line. Sesame seeds. Yes. So this is a alliteration. Then see the last line. Ginger, garlic. G. Ginger and garlic, the spelling are different, but the first letter start from G. So this is alliteration. So children, you also try it at home with your book. Okay, this is alliteration. Okay children, let's recap the poem. This is a simple and interesting poem by Raj Arumugam. This poem is about a little boy's memory while shopping for his mother. Raj lives with his mother in a small house. Who is the author of this poem? Raj Arumugam. Okay, what is the poem about? It's about a little boy's memory while shopping for his mother. Okay, next one. One day, Raj's mother asked him to go to the Muthu shop to buy some cinnamon, bitter leaves, ginger and garlic. Raj goes to Muthu shop. On his way to Muthu shop, he is singing all the way the things what his mother asked to buy. One day his mother asked to go to Muthu shop. Okay, he sings through the way and whatever his mother wanted to buy. Raj reached Muthu's shop. Muthu asked Raj, "What do you want?" Raj recited the things. Raj recited the correct things? No, he recited everything wrong. So when Raj came back to his home, his mother twisted his ears. Raj cried out of pain. If anyone twist your ears, it was paining, no? So Raj also cried out of pain. Because Raj bought sesame seeds, onions, tomatoes and pickles instead of buying cinnamon, bitter leaves, ginger and garlic. Sesame seeds means, now we'll say no. What is that? Gingerly seeds. Okay children, I hope you all enjoy this poem. Thank you for listening. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you children.